getting this video together, and I realized that I didn't really talk about what it was I was doing. So I'm going to do a little intro here. We have some friends that are building a house, and they cut down a bunch of cedar trees on their property, and they needed them milled up because they're going to use that for trim in their new house. And so they brought over some logs, and this is Troy and I helped me the first day, and then it took me a couple more days, but I got everything that they brought over milled, and this is what's in the video. And if you watched any of my videos, you know that that is my favorite thing to do, is to run that sawmill. So I hope you enjoy the video, and if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. We'll see what we can get up to next time. Thanks for watching. I had mentioned a while back that I broke my tripod, so I got this new one. It's pretty cool. It expands. I don't know how high it goes, probably about 5 feet. But it pulls out, you know, really long. It stands like this, and it has 4 at the base, 4 feet, or yeah, I guess you call them feet. I don't know. Like this, so it's very stable. And then this top part is pretty cool. The phone mounts in here, and it can go landscape or portrait. Flips really easy. And it has this little wand that you can spin it around, and when you pull it down, it locks, so it doesn't move. But then also this part, it's got this little mounting point that pivots as well, and I can mount my gimbal on there now. So that's pretty cool, because before my gimbal was just this really short. This is the little tripod that came with the gimbal, so it's really short. But now I can put it on this and put it as high as I want to. Here's the new base, and I've put my gimbal on there, which my phone goes on here. And this part will go up and down. Can't do it with one hand, but it pulls up probably about 5 feet. So that'll be a great addition. It does have a remote control, you know, that you can do like pictures or whatever, but I'm not going to mess with any of that. I try to keep it simple.
A tractor hums beneath the sun, mowing pastures, the work's begun. Sweat and soul, they shape my day. Simple life in so many ways. Living the dream, legacy in hand, built by my father's calloused hands. Chickens cluck, sawmill sing. This homestead life gives everything. Jeep tires bite on rugged trails, exploring where the heart prevails. The woods are deep, the air so clear. Freedom whispers, I'm alive out here. Raise the roof, plant the seed. Land gives back what we need. Living the dream, legacy in hand, built by my father's calloused hands. Chickens cluck, Sawmill sing this homestead life gives everything. The garden waits for the morning dew. The sun sets low and the day is through. This Texas homestead is where I belong, from my father to me. The legacy lives on.
I can hear the questions already, like, what are you doing, right? So I have to square it up, and it's hard because you can see how lumpy and bumpy and all this the logs are, and it's tapered, so it's really small at one end and fat at the other end, so it takes a lot to get it squared up. Now these ones are pretty good. I'm cutting everything the same thickness. By cutting everything the same thickness, even these that they can use, you know, just short pieces to fill in wherever, and they can make them the size that they need. But this particular customer, he brought me the logs, and he wants everything cut to 1 by 4. So what I did was I squared up the log, and then got it cut to where it was square, and then I sliced everything to the 1 inch. You can see here, maybe to the 1 inch thickness here, and then I turned them up on edge, and all of these are going to be 4 inches, and I used the measurement of those that I'd already cut, so this way we can cut them all at the same time. They'll all be the same, similar. I mean, it'll never be perfectly square cut on a sawmill, but for rough cut lumber, this is as good as you can get. Well, good as you can get from my sawmill anyway. But that's what we're doing. We're just trying to get them all uniform. They're going to use it for trim in a house. So I'm trying to just get them all. I don't remember. I've got a list somewhere of how many he needs, but I'm just trying to get these logs that are very gnarly to start into this nice finished cut lumber. And then all the kind of live edge stuff that I think is still usable, I'm putting over here because they might use it for some other projects in their home. Alright, here's the log pile. And this is the part where we have to make some decisions, okay? We know it has to be 8 foot long for the finished length. So we try to put it on the sawmill at about 8.5 feet. To give them room for squaring it up and so on. But you've got a really narrow end here, and you got a wide end down there. And this is obviously beyond 8 foot long. So what I'm going to do is do some measurements and try to find the happy medium in the middle. Maybe stop where it starts what they call belling out at the bottom, and then come this way so it'll be a little more even.
The rooster calls a gravel song. Sunrise shakes the shadows long, a spade in hand, dirt in my nails. This life ain't fast, but it never fails. Homestead dreams where the air runs free, chickens clucking and the cedar tree. Every plant from the sawmill hums a hymn of work till the evening comes. Carving bowls by candles glow from wood I split in the winter snow. Tomatoes climbing the garden gate, patience whispers it's worth the wait. A life built slow with my own two hands. Each day's a story the earth understands. Homestead dreams where the air runs free, chickens clucking and the cedar tree. Every plant from the sawmill hums a hymn of work till the evening comes. The rain taps a rhythm on the tin roof's crown, while the wind hums low as the sun dips down. A simple life, but it sings so loud. No need for cities, no need for crowds.
Okay, we're gonna try to get some more milling done today. My friends are coming over to pick up some of the lumber this weekend, so I'm gonna try to get more of it done. I need to grab my chainsaw. Thought it was out there, but it's supposed to rain, so I need to try to get back there and get going before the rain. Just running out of time to get it done, but hopefully the rain will hold off. I miss not taking the rhino back there because it's all my tools are in there, but I got to take the tractor so I can load logs. So let me get the chainsaw. I got it, and grabbed an extra battery because yesterday I ran out of battery. So here we go. What are y'all doing this morning? What are y'all doing? Where's Charlie? How come you're not crowing? Alright, we're headed back. It is starting to rain already, but once I get back here I can get out of the rain. I just can't cover the tractor, so I'll still probably get wet, but once I have to load another log, it'll be all right. I'm not complaining about the rain at all because we're under a burn ban right now, so we need it.
Sweat and soul shape my day. Simple life in so many ways. Living the dream, legacy in hand, built by my father's calloused hands. Chickens cluck, sawmill sing.
This one has
This homestead
quite a bit of rot in it. I don't know. See that? But see all this outer ring? That's all rotten. The center's still good, but that's only probably 6.5, 7 inches. So might not get a ton out of this one. But we'll see. I'm gonna try to cut it down. I cut the bill end off of it. And we try to see, you know, visually you can see it tapers down and gets really small there. So I want the largest portion. So I need to cut some of this shorter end off. I'll go about 8.5 feet.
Tractor hums beneath the sun, mowing pastures, the work's begun. Sweat and soul, they shape my day. Simple life in so many ways. Living the dream, legacy in hand, built by my father's calloused hands. Chickens cluck, sawmill sing. This homestead life gives everything. Jeep tires bite on rugged trails, exploring where the heart prevails. The woods are deep, the air so clear. Freedom whispers, I'm alive out here. Raise the roof, plant the seed. Land gives back what we need. Living the dream, legacy in hand, built by my father's calloused hands. Chickens cluck, sawmill sing. This homestead life gives everything. The garden waits for the morning dew. The sun sets low and the day is through. This Texas homestead is where I belong, from my father to me. The legacy lives on.